15 serving 12.
Change court 15-13 Adamson. 15-13.
And it's time now for... Oh, that's a powerful serve. Dug up well by Nitura. Buhay pa ang bola nito. Nitura with a 1-2 play. 16-13.
Parang ano lang ano yan? Promote pa.
Nitura inabol yung bola. Sagaysay able to recover. And you will chance here. Counter attack para dito sa Adamson. Sagaysay cross court. Red well by NU Nazareth. Good serve. Nitura nagpa-first ball. Siya papalo. And it's good. To serve. Oh, what a powerful hit. Nitura. Good up. Oh, what a smart play. What a serve right there.
Change court 2015 Adamson. 2015.
Good hit, serve nila dito. Nitura, di na tumalon. Toss. And that is it for our set number 1. So Adamson taking this one 21-17.
Set number 1 21-17.
To start off set number 2. And it's Nitura with a good serve. Long ball. And it flips the line. Nitura pops it side, pushes it. Off angle to work with. Nitura was there. She will hit it off the fingertip cap, set number 1. Magandang simula ng NU. Adamson able to recover. So NU trying to even things out here. And one. Nitura with an easy up. She will put it in. Paralinos. It's 4-1 now. Nagpapatingin kayo dyan bago siya pumasok sa ating venue. Watch our matches, the final day of our UAP season. And quick shout out.
Change court 4-3 Adamson. 4-3.
Hello, Coach. NU gusto bumawi. And good serve right there. Nitura, pop set, Sagaysay. NU with a bit of momentum right here. Nitura with a look away. Kaya nga, Sagaysay.
Bakit?
NU may pagkakataon dito. Nitura tried. Up there, Sagaysay. Off-speed attack. Nitura naman! But 6 on. Napalakas lang ng 7-6. They have a 1-set-to-none lead. Nitua communicating with Sagaysay. Peligay on the right set. Napalakas lang. Nitua. The quick snap of
Change court.
2-point cushion.
8-6 Adamson.
Used to serve. Oh, what a hit! That one just needs to win this set to finish in third. Short ball, the dive, Nitua. What a save right there. Nitua tries to finish it, and she does! One falling to nothing around here. Nitua with the up. And that off speed. Not a good serve from Sagaysay. She will now set it up. Nitua. Peligay papalo. Nandoon si Sagaysay. Felicity tries to tip it in. Powerful serve from Toos. Pero maganda rin yung sagot doon. Masyadong malakas. Sagaysay with a good first ball. She will pull it up and in. Final day.
Change court.
After 9 days,
13-8
we
Adamson.
will crown good serve. And that results into another good serve. Nabitin doon. Benigay, itinawid, masyadong malakas. 11-3 doon. Short ball, Sagaysay. Malakas lang. Nitua. Here. Sagaysay, naitapik. And Adamson,
Change court. 18-10 Adamson.
18 serving 10. Pump set. Toss. That makes sense. SM by the way.
Anak ng kapitbahay. Anak ni Nicole.
Sagaysay.
Set point.
Just lining up the points. In this set alone. And you getting to keep the Lady Bullpups' hopes alive. Nitua. Toss. Second ball is good. Oh. And that serve clips the net. And that will signal the end of the match. Adamson just duplicating their feat in the elimination round. Winning this one in straight sets over NU Nazareth School 21-17 and 21-12. Please give a round of applause for our teams.
21-12 Adamson.